Joey and John came today. It's Joey's company. I decided when I looked at this lawn, there is no way. There is no way that I could do it. Even if I had some big fancy machine, it would take me days to do what they did today in, I would say, about 3.5 hours. Oh, wow. What is that? Anyone recognize this mushroom? And look at all that. I guess it's mycelium. It's kind of slimy. But it was underneath all of those leaves, and I didn't even see it. Oh my, look. Okay, just for perspective, look at the size of those things. They look like biscuits. Oh, wow. Oh, I hope this is something good. Look at this mycelium. It's almost like slug goop. So what they're doing is they're going to blow it all in a pile and then go back and forth across the pile with the lawnmower. I just wanted it mowed and all of the leaves chopped up, which goes back into almost dust, goes into the grass, fertilizes the lawn. And you know, this is the first time I've had a lawn since I started gardening, but there's no way around it. I mean, there's no way I can plant that whole thing in a garden. First of all, there's a lot of rock here. I think this might be a great place to put an Adirondack chair, because you could just sit right here and look out, watch the cars go by, wave. They didn't see me wave. But there's a bunch of outcroppings of rock, so I feel pretty sure that anything that I do is going to have to be in a raised bed. This one I could have a chair and look back up at the house. And then I could have a cozy corner over there behind those trees. There's a bigger rock over there. And look, so you see I'm facing this whole limestone outcropping. They cut into that just to build the road. Oh, what might this be? I think that might be deer poop. Yep, there's more rock. Over here is going to be my cozy corner. I need Joey to get some of these fallen trees out of here. See? Isn't this a great, nice, shady spot for a cozy corner? Once I get fiber optic, I'll just have a whole big thing here. Picnic table, the whole works. And see, just got a beautiful hill to look out at. And then I think I'm going to put bamboo right along there. So you've heard me talk about my cistern house. This is a cistern that collects rainwater. Oh my gosh, there's a big hole in the wall. Goodness. That almost looks intentional. Huh. Have to see about that. Anyway, there's water in there. The door's not even latched. Of course, you can't see anything. It's pitch black. I'll get a flashlight and we'll do it. There's obviously a pump in there because you see some wires here. And I have a feeling that green piece flew off and it's supposed to be over here, covering that up. At any rate, the downspouts from the house go right down to that. Okay, we've sort of made it back. Oh yeah, see there's the pipe from the front. I mean from the back of the house. Hooking into this here. And under there you can see water or pipes or something. And then it goes down over there. And then it gets pumped back up to the house. Maybe that's what that is. And it's directed to the hose on the other side where the garden is. Okay, we are back to where we started. I hope you enjoyed that little tour. You took it with me for the first time. And I have to take some pictures of these amazing mushrooms before they flatten out. We have an infestation of these bugs, which look an awful lot like milkweed bugs. Oh my goodness, they're everywhere. Basically, I've been learning how to build a fire every night. I can't say that I was good at it. I had a fireplace in the Palisades in California, a wood-burning fireplace, but it had a gas jet. So it made it very simple. You put 2 logs in, you turn on the gas, pretty soon the log is burning. Not a lot of technique involved. And here there's technique. While the guys were here, I hadn't had the courage to go walking in my woods. But while the guys were here today, I thought, well, they'll see me walk out, and if I don't come back, maybe they'll come looking for me. Oh, this really needs I don't even know if that would come off with power wash. I've seen a bunch of this. I don't know what this is. I'm just taking a walk around my pole barn. There's a lot of rock on this property. I wonder how far I would have to go. Huh. Looks like some kind of a gate. I wonder where that was. Maybe across the driveway. There's some major pieces of wood here. Oh, maybe that was the supports for the gate. That tree is in bad shape. Looks like we got a bunch of dead trees in there. I think I'd like to clean all that out. Let's go see if we can find the property line. This is the time to walk. It's 60 degrees. Middle of December. So the poison ivy is dormant. I hope. Wait a minute. Where's my property line? That's funny. I really have to get some appropriate shoes. That's funny. There's supposed to be a fence, a rock wall. Oops. Wow, I see the rock wall. It's, I think. But it's way over there. That doesn't seem right. Huh. Wonder what this is like in the summer. This is the first time I've walked out because first of all it was snowing when I got here and it was 19 degrees. Well, there it is. Oh, I can see it circling up there. I may only get to see this in the winter because I'm scared of snakes. Oh, And here we have some barbed wire. So this must be, oh, I see. Barbed wire is down. Uh-huh. Okay, that keeps going up. Where's my barn? Oh, there it is. Huh. Okay, this is interesting. I never imagined I'd own a forest. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. And I look forward to bringing you more inspirational, fun videos from Late Bloomer Garden 2.0. See you next time. You gotta know when to hold them and you gotta know when to play them or whatever. What's that song? If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.